If your car still feels basic every time you get behind the wheel, you're probably missing out on some seriously smart upgrades. Amazon and AliExpress are packed with car gadgets that don't just look cool. They actually make driving easier, safer, and way more convenient. From small upgrades that improve comfort to clever tools that enhance performance, we've rounded up 40 of the best car gadgets you can get right now. You'll find all the product links waiting for you in the description below. Number 40, car screen adapter. If your car screen only shows maps, this small adapter lets you mirror your phone directly onto the display without cables. It connects wirelessly, supports apps like YouTube and Netflix in full screen, and plays audio through your car speakers with minimal delay. You can switch back to normal CarPlay anytime, so your original system stays the same while adding basic smart screen functionality. Number 39, ultimate car shield. For protecting a car while it's stored, this inflatable garage capsule offers a clear PVC dome that sets up in about 5 minutes using an 800-watt pump and maintains internal pressure automatically. Quiet, low-noise fans made in Germany circulate filtered air to prevent condensation, which can damage a car's body. Zippers on 3 sides make it easy to drive in and out, and the enclosure comes in indoor and outdoor versions, with sizes ranging from 4 to 6.7 meters. Number 38, car power splitter. Ever argue over that one lonely car charging port? Not anymore. This heavy-duty car power splitter transforms a single socket into a rolling power hub. 4 extra sockets, plus USB-C and USB-A, so the dash cam, phone, GPS, vacuum, even a mini fridge can all run at the same time without drama. Each port has its own switch, so you only power what you need. The real-time voltage display keeps an eye on your battery like a quiet co-driver. Number 37, hand gesture. Ever wished you could say something to a bad driver without playing window roulette? This gesture LED light handles it. 3 modes, 1 remote, instant message delivered in bright, impossible to ignore light. Day, night, rain, fog, it cuts through all of it. Tap the remote, they see it, they understand. No shouting required. Quick to install, fits almost any car, and grabs attention fast without escalating the chaos. Number 36, Comsoon aux. If your car skipped the Bluetooth era and you're still riding with aux cables and awkward silence, plug this in. The Bluetooth adapter brings instant wireless music and clear hands-free calls without touching your car's factory setup. No dashboard surgery, no expensive upgrades. Bluetooth 5.3 keeps the connection steady even on bumpy roads. The LED screen shows battery level and volume, so there's zero guesswork. Number 35, car door lights. You open your car door at night and a sharp, bright logo lights up the ground beneath you. Clean projection, clear detail, no wires running through the door, and no disposable batteries to swap out. Recharge it once and it runs for weeks. The light turns on automatically when the door opens and switches off when it closes. Number 34, Seesii electric car jack. And for dealing with a flat tire, this cordless 5-ton hydraulic lift makes the job quick and effortless. It lifts a car in about 90 seconds at the push of a button, either using the remote or directly on the unit. The 4,000 mAh lithium battery provides 6 to 8 full lifts per charge and recharges fully in around 100 minutes. With a lift range of 16 to 45 centimeters, it works with sedans, crossovers, and pickups. Built-in LED lights make nighttime use easier, and at just 8 kilograms, it's simple to store in your trunk. Number 33, Camco trailer. Flat tire on your trailer doesn't have to ruin your trip. The Camco Trailer Aid Plus lifts 1 tire at a time, raising the other 5.5 inches instantly. No unloading, no jacks, no hassle. It can handle up to 15,000 pounds, weighs just 8 pounds, and is waterproof and rust-proof, making it ready for any road trip. RV owners rely on it because when every minute counts, this little ramp keeps you moving. Number 32, Carson. This is a portable cinema made specifically for cars. It comes with a compact 2K DLP projector offering 700 lumens of brightness and an ultra short throw lens paired with a 32-inch screen that unfolds automatically at the push of a button. The screen attaches securely to the roof with heavy-duty suction cups, and the built-in battery supports up to 200 open and close cycles. Everything is controlled through an app, and the audio connects to your car's sound system via Bluetooth, creating a full in-car movie experience. Number 31. Michelin Uptis Airless Tires. Imagine tires that never go flat. The Airless tire does exactly that, using a 3D printed eco-friendly design that eliminates punctures and the need for constant pressure checks. It also helps cut down on scrap tire waste by over 20%, while offering a smoother ride over bumps and obstacles, making daily driving easier and more reliable. Number 30. eBoard Electric Side Step. The eBoard Electric Side Step is a smart way to make tall vehicles more accessible. When you open the door, the step automatically slides out, giving passengers a stable platform to step on, and it retracts neatly when the door closes, so it doesn't change the car's look. Made from strong, weather-resistant materials, it can handle heavy use without wearing out. On top of that, it reduces the chance of slips or falls, and even protects your vehicle's sides from small bumps and scrapes, combining convenience with safety. Number 29. FVPE Electric Kettle. Having hot tea or coffee on the road is now easy with this 400 milliliter electric car kettle. It plugs into your car's cigarette lighter and boils water in about 30 minutes. Touch controls and an LCD screen let you choose between boiling and keep warm modes from 30 to 95 degrees Celsius. The inner liner is made of 304 stainless steel, and the sealed lid with a silicone gasket helps maintain the flavor of your drink. Number 28. Lectron Plugs. For EV owners, charging just got a major upgrade. Cars with a CCS1 port can now access over 25,000 Tesla supercharger stations using this NACS to CCS adapter. Rated for 500 amps and 1000 volts, it can add up to 240 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. A dual locking mechanism keeps it securely connected, and its compact design fits easily in the glove compartment. It's compatible with Ford, GM, Rivian, Mercedes, and other brands, giving more vehicles access to the Tesla charging network. Number 27. Bluetti Charger 2. For trips where outlets are hard to find, this smart power hub keeps your devices and gear running. It's the first dual-channel charger that can power portable stations simultaneously from a vehicle generator and solar panels. With up to 200 watts of combined output, it charges up to 13 times faster than a standard cigarette lighter. Battery link technology lets you run a fridge or charge devices while parked without draining your starter battery. Number 26. Car Electric Blanket. If your car still feels chilly, this wearable blanket keeps you warm on the go. Measuring 150 by 110 centimeters, the flannel electric blanket has built-in heating elements powered through the cigarette lighter. Snap buttons convert it into a poncho-style wrap so your hands stay free while driving. 2 heat levels with an automatic shutoff help protect the car battery, and the 2.3 meter cable reaches the rear seats. Number 25. HOTO BlowVac. This cordless vacuum makes keeping your car clean simple and efficient. It has a 225 watt brushless motor with up to 23,000 pascals of suction, so dust and debris are removed easily. There are 3 modes: Boost for stubborn dirt, Standard for everyday cleaning, and Eco for lighter tasks. Its cyclonic system keeps suction consistent, and it comes with an air-blowing nozzle that's perfect for keyboards, vents, and tight spaces. Number 24. Backseat Car Charging Station. Rideshare drivers. This is the ultimate solution for keeping your passengers charged up. This sleek headrest charger offers 3 retractable fast-charging cables, USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB, so everyone stays powered up. It rotates 360 degrees, retracts instantly, and can charge 2 phones at 36 watts at the same time. The secure buckle with a non-slip washer keeps the charger firmly in place, preventing it from sliding off. Number 23. Headrest Safe. This headrest doubles as a hidden steel safe, letting you store firearms or valuables securely inside your car seat without any drilling or bolts. It offers 3 ways to unlock: fingerprint, passcode, or key, so you can access your items quickly when needed. The safe slides in and out easily, and the exterior fabric looks and feels like real leather, keeping it discreet and stylish. Number 22. Gooloo A3 Jump Starter. If your car won't start, this 5-in-1 jump starter has you covered. Delivering a peak current of 3,000 amps, it can jump gasoline engines up to 9 liters and diesel engines up to 6 or 12 liters, even in temperatures from -20 to 60 degrees Celsius. It also has a built-in air compressor that inflates a car tire in about 7 minutes, acts as a power bank with USB-C and USB-A ports for charging devices, and includes an LED flashlight with an SOS mode for emergencies. Number 21. Car Air Mattress. If you get stuck in the snow overnight, this inflatable SUV mattress makes sleeping in your car much more comfortable. It has 6 independent sections that adapt to most interior layouts, across the rear seats, in the cargo area, or lengthwise, with a thickness of 15 centimeters. It supports up to 300 kilograms and comes with an electric pump that plugs into the cigarette lighter, 2 inflatable pillows, and foot supports to prevent sliding. Number 20, weBoost. Imagine driving through remote areas and still getting full phone signal. This signal booster makes it possible with 3 main components: a roof-mounted antenna to capture the signal, a booster that amplifies it, and an interior antenna that spreads the strengthened signal throughout the car, keeping your devices connected wherever you go. Number 19, WeGoo Under Screen Storage. This hidden organizer fits neatly under the central screen of the Model Y Juniper, covering model years 2019 to 2026. Designed to match the factory dimensions, it uses a magnetic latch that opens quietly with one hand. Made from durable ABS plastic and lined with non-slip silicone, it's perfect for storing your phone, glasses, cards, or garage remote, keeping essentials within reach but out of sight. Installation takes seconds with no tools or adhesive required. Number 18, Lenmodo Night Vision System. This dash camera features a built-in Sony imaging sensor, giving it starlight level night vision by automatically balancing exposure in extremely dark conditions. While the integrated 8-inch FHD IPS screen lets drivers switch between WDR and HDR to enhance resolution and contrast. Night vision reaches up to 411 meters, letting you see further than high beams on dim country roads, narrow mountain passes, or in heavy rain, snow, storms, and fog. It helps reduce blind spots and is especially helpful for older drivers or those with vision impairments. Number 17, Car Power Inverter. This 200-watt car power inverter turns your cigarette lighter into a mini power hub. It has 2 110-volt AC outlets and 4 USB ports, letting you charge laptops, tablets, phones, or even game consoles all at the same time. An LCD screen shows the voltage, while a smart cooling fan keeps it safe under load. Built-in protections guard against overcharging, short circuits, and overheating. Number 16, BlueDriver. BlueDriver makes it simple to scan and understand your car like a professional mechanic. You can read and clear trouble codes, including ABS, airbag, SRS, TPMS, and more, giving you access to information usually reserved for OBD2 scan tools. Beyond just reading codes, it provides unlimited repair reports with possible causes and fixes, and the live data feature lets you monitor your vehicle's health in real time while driving. Number 15, Wireless Car Charger Mount. It's hard to imagine modern life without a smartphone. We use it for messaging, checking news, and sharing photos with family and friends. In the car, it serves as a navigator and music player. To prevent your phone from moving around during rough rides or on bumpy roads, it needs to be securely mounted. This holder keeps your phone stable even in demanding conditions. It allows adjustment for reach, rotation, and angle, so you can position it as needed. It can be installed on the dashboard or the windshield, and the adjustable grip fits most standard phones. Number 14, GPS Speedometer. This isn't your typical car gadget, it's a pilot-style digital dashboard upgrade. The GPS speedometer shows speed, altitude, compass direction, and pitch and roll angles right in front of you. Using GPS and BDS dual satellite systems, it delivers accurate readings even in remote areas. The 6.88-inch screen auto-dims for day or night, and you can choose from 8 ambient colors to match your style. Just plug it in. No apps or complicated setup required. Number 13, Emergency Roadside Lights. These 12-pack LED road flares turn any emergency into a safe zone. With 9 flashing modes, like rescue, warning, and traffic control, they make you visible from far away. Waterproof, crush-proof, and magnetic. They can stick to your car, hang, or sit on the ground. The set includes 12 flares, a storage bag, and tools, making them ideal for cars, trucks, boats, or bikes. Stay safe and prepared for any roadside emergency. Number 12, Sunshade. These magnetic car window shades make sunny drives more comfortable. 2 large shades fit most big windows and attach with 5 magnets, so your windows can still roll down. They block UV rays while keeping visibility clear, and the hook and loop straps let you adjust for a secure fit. Easy to put on or take off, they help protect your car and keep the interior cooler. Number 11, Side Mirror Squeegee. Ever struggled with foggy side mirrors in the rain? This tiny gadget solves that in seconds. convenience. The retractable car mirror Squeegee lets you swipe your mirrors clean without stepping out of the car. The handle extends up to 39 inches for easy reach, and the soft rubber blade cleans safely without scratching. A clear view means a safer drive. Number 10. Drop Stop. As featured on Shark Tank, Drop Stop is a patented seat gap filler that blocks the annoying gap between your car or truck seat and the center console. Designed to stay securely in place, it prevents items from falling into the cracks, saving you the hassle of reaching for lost keys, phones, or coins. Built to last a lifetime, it's a simple fix that keeps your car interior tidy and frustration-free. Number 9. ACOPOWER TesFridge. TesFridge is a portable freezer created to fit neatly inside the subtrunk of Tesla vehicles, including Model 3, Model X, and Model Y. It comes in two size options, 20 liters and 35 liters, making it suitable for road trips, daily grocery runs, or extra cold storage on the go. The temperature can be adjusted from 10 degrees Celsius down to minus 20 degrees Celsius, allowing it to handle everything from chilled drinks to fully frozen food with steady and efficient cooling. Number 8. HEYTRIP. This practical car accessory makes reaching your vehicle's roof much easier. The HEYTRIP door step attaches securely to the door latch area, giving you a stable boost to access roof racks, cargo boxes, or for cleaning. It supports up to 181 kilograms and features an adjustable angle for better positioning. A textured rubber pad adds grip and helps protect the car's surface. At 26 centimeters long with a foldable design, it stores neatly in your trunk without taking up much space. Number 7. Headlight Restoration Kit. This kit helps remove scratches and fix common headlight problems such as yellowing, clouding, and oxidation, restoring clarity and improving light output. Clear headlights improve visibility at night, which supports safer driving. The process also helps slow further aging, extending the lifespan of the lenses. The kit includes the essential tools needed for restoration, including a polishing compound to address surface damage and oxidation, along with a repair solution and spray bottle for application. Number 6. Brickhouse Car Trackers. The Spark Nano 7 Series GPS tracker from Brickhouse is a compact device that attaches to your car using a built-in magnet, letting you track its location in real time over a mobile network. Its waterproof case ensures reliable performance in any weather. With 4G support, it works across the US, Canada, Mexico, and other countries. Through the app or website, you can monitor your car's location, speed, travel history, and more, providing extra protection against theft and increasing your chances of recovering a stolen vehicle quickly. Number 5. Best Ev Mod Start Button. The Best Ev Mod Mando Style Car Engine. Start Stop Button cover is a cool little upgrade that gives your push start button a sharp, stylish look. Made from polished zinc alloy, it's scratch resistant and feels solid to the touch. It fits about 98% of cars and comes with adhesive tape and wipes for a quick, no-fuss installation. Just clean the button and stick it on. Number 4. Astro AI Windshield Cleaner. This tool makes clearing windows and windshields fast and simple. The telescopic handle extends from 40 to 53 centimeters and locks with a twist, while the triangular head rotates 180 degrees to reach corners. The kit includes 4 high-density microfiber pads that remove moisture cleanly without streaks or loose fibers. For emergencies, it has a built-in carbon steel safety hammer and an ice scraper, and a 60 milliliter spray bottle is also included for added convenience. Number 3. Handheld Ice Scraper. The Caraide cordless ice scraper is designed to clean car windows quickly and effectively using plastic blades that spin at high speeds. The blades are specifically shaped to prevent any damage to the glass. They can be replaced once they wear out, and replacement blades are available for purchase. The compact size makes it easy to carry in your car, saving space. One full battery charge provides 15 minutes of continuous use, and it takes about 3 hours to fully recharge the scraper. Number 2. Car Floor Mat Clips. The car mats holder clips keep your floor mats firmly in place so they don't slide around while driving. Made from durable ABS plastic, they're built to last and resist wear over time. Installation is simple, just a Phillips screwdriver and a few minutes to secure them to your car's carpet. They also have a quick release feature, making it easy to remove and reattach the mats whenever needed. Their clean, minimal design blends in seamlessly with your car's interior. Number 1. Caraide Multi-Tool. tool. It can jumpstart your car with a peak current of 1000 amperes and has a built-in battery to charge devices. Emergency features include a seatbelt cutter, window breaker, and a loud alarm to deter attackers. A bright flashlight and SOS light add extra safety, while its compact size and industrial magnet let you store it in a cup holder, glove box, or attach it to the door. It's designed to keep you prepared and safe in a wide range of situations. That's all for today. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up so more people can see it. Your support helps us reach more viewers. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.